What if the root of nagging joint pain, cloudy thinking, and even a higher risk for life-altering events like heart attacks and strokes wasn't just your age, but what's in your cooking pan? Every day, millions of older Americans use common cooking oils that are scientifically proven to spike inflammation, harden arteries, and flood the body with cell-damaging toxins. These are the very oils, often deceptively labeled heart-healthy, that are silently driving the health issues we fear most. But the wonderful truth is that you hold the power to change this. Today, we're going to clear out the 4 worst oils that are accelerating aging and welcome in 4 healing oils that can act like medicine for your body. And the final one we'll discuss is a little-known powerhouse that studies show can dramatically reduce inflammation and support brain health in just a matter of weeks. So be sure to listen for that. Let's start by clearing out the culprits, beginning with the one that fools almost everyone: canola oil. Think of how often we've chosen canola oil because the bright, sunny label promises it's good for our hearts. What isn't advertised is that to create that clean, neutral oil, the rapeseed plant it comes from is subjected to intense heat and chemical solvents. This process destroys any potential good and creates harmful compounds that trigger inflammation deep within the arteries and the brain. Perhaps you're even thinking to yourself, but I've used an oil like canola for 30 years and feel perfectly fine. While that personal experience is valid, the damage from these oils isn't always something you feel overnight. It's a slow, quiet process, like a tiny leak in a pipe that, over decades, causes devastating damage to the foundation of your home. For your body, that means a higher risk for memory loss and heart trouble down the road. Your first step is simple. Walk to your pantry and look at your bottle of cooking oil. If it says canola, it's time to let it go. Next up is the oil that hides in nearly every packaged snack and fried food: corn oil. It's incredibly high in a type of fat called omega-6. Now your body needs a little omega-6, but it also needs its counterpart, omega-3, to keep things in balance. Imagine your body's inflammation system has an on switch and an off switch. Omega-6s are the on switch. Healthy omega-3s are the off switch. Corn oil and its close relative soybean oil jam the on switch, creating a state of constant, low-grade inflammation. This is the very inflammation that makes your arthritis flare up, your blood pressure creep higher, and your memory feel less sharp. It's the reason why, after a restaurant meal, you might feel stiff and achy the next day. So, the next time you pick up a box of crackers, a bottle of salad dressing, or a bag of chips, flip it over. If you see corn oil, soybean oil, or even the vague term vegetable oil, know that it's likely contributing to that fire of inflammation. Put it back on the shelf and choose something else. Finally, the most dangerous of them all: cottonseed oil. This is a true wolf in sheep's clothing. Cotton is not grown as a food crop, meaning it's sprayed with some of the harshest pesticides. Those toxins can end up in the final oil. Worse, it contains a natural toxin that, even in small amounts, can put stress on your liver and immune system, 2 systems that are already working hard to keep you healthy as you age. It's often hidden in things like margarine, commercial baked goods, and mayonnaise. If you want to protect your brain and heart for the long haul, this oil has no place in your kitchen. But this isn't about fear, it's about empowerment. Now that we've cleared out the pantry, let's restock it with oils that heal, protect, and energize you. Let's start with a beautiful, versatile oil: avocado oil. For anyone who loves roasting vegetables until they're golden and crisp, this oil is a game changer. Unlike other oils that turn toxic at high heat, avocado oil is incredibly stable, meaning you can finally cook at high temperatures without worry. It's rich in the same heart-healthy fats as olive oil, but it's much more stable when heated. It helps lower bad cholesterol, and it's packed with a special antioxidant called lutein, which is known to protect both your eyes from macular degeneration and your brain from cognitive decline. Here's how you bring it into your life. When you shop, look for a bottle of cold-pressed avocado oil that is a rich, vibrant green color, not pale yellow. That green hue tells you it's full of nutrients. Use it for all your high-heat cooking, roasting, searing, and stir-frying. Next is a timeless classic, extra virgin olive oil. This is truly nature's medicine. If you suffer from stiff, achy knees, making this oil a staple can make a world of difference. Real extra virgin olive oil is loaded with a compound called oleocanthal, which works in a similar way to ibuprofen, gently calming the inflammation that causes joint pain. It's also a champion for heart and brain health. But here's the crucial part. Its healing powers are delicate. High heat destroys them. So here's your actionable advice. Use extra virgin olive oil for flavor, not for frying. Drizzle it on salads, soups, and steamed vegetables after they're cooked. When buying it, look for oil in a dark glass bottle to protect it from light. A real high-quality olive oil should have a slightly grassy, peppery taste that might even make you cough. That peppery kick is the sign of its potent healing polyphenols at work. Our third healing oil is virgin coconut oil. For years, we were told to fear its saturated fat, but science now shows that the type of fat matters. Coconut oil is rich in special fats called MCTs, which your body doesn't store. Instead, they go straight to your liver and get converted into immediate energy for your body and your brain. For anyone who struggles with afternoon brain fog, this can be life-changing, providing clear, steady energy that lasts for hours. It's also naturally antimicrobial, helping to support a healthy gut. To use it, look for organic, unrefined virgin coconut oil. It should smell sweet and like coconut. It's fantastic for medium heat cooking, baking, or even stirred into your coffee or tea. If you're new to it, start small with just a teaspoon a day to let your system adjust. And now for the powerhouse that most people have never even heard of. Cold-pressed black seed oil. This is not a cooking oil, this is a therapeutic oil. For centuries, it has been revered as a remedy for nearly everything. Its power comes from a unique compound called thymoquinone, a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Studies have shown it can help lower blood pressure, soothe respiratory issues, and significantly reduce the inflammatory markers that contribute to so many age-related conditions. For someone over 60 looking for a single thing to support their immune system, brain, and joints, this is it. Here's how to use this potent healer. Purchase only 100% pure, cold-pressed black seed oil. It will have a strong, bitter taste. Start with just half a teaspoon a day, taken on its own or mixed with a little raw honey to make it more palatable. Think of it as your daily medicinal dose to help your body heal from the inside out. The choice you make every time you reach for a bottle of oil is a powerful one. It can either be a choice that feeds disease or a choice that builds health. You have the knowledge now. Your body is listening, and it's never, ever too late to give it what it needs to thrive. Before you go, I'd love to hear from you. Please take a moment and share in the comments below. Based on what you've learned today, which oil are you removing from your kitchen first? And which new healing oil are you most excited to try? I'll be reading through your comments to cheer you on. Your journey to feeling better starts with this one simple, powerful step.